So, good morning guys! Today is Monday and wala kaming pasok since may gagawin yung mga faculty teachers namin. And for today's agenda, first, mag-skincare muna tayo. Moisturizer from Lux Organic. Is the sunscreen. Oh gosh, okay. Due to the fact, nakakasimula pa lang yung semester is wala pa kami masyadong quizzes or any big activities, so magti-take down notes lang muna ako sa mga lessons namin. This will also serve as my reviewers. For the remaining 20 minutes, I'm going to wash the dishes na lang. Tapos na ako magsulat ng mga lecture ko. And my hand hurts. But it's all worth it. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.